Alright, let's see what we got here today. Tried to break this trend line here, but could not hold it. See if any numbers are coming out. 10 o'clock. Alright. Broke underneath of that zone. We have our take profit trader on the left, which is a pro account. We are trying to get a payout from that, and we have a 150k apex eval on the right. Looks like she wants to sell off here, doesn't it? After that big rejection of that trend breakout. So we just need to hit one good trade for our trade of for our Apex account, because we just need to hit around 25 to 2700 for the profit goal for the day. Alright. See what happens here. We're going to go for the trend line test again. Alright. See what happens here. We're going to go for the trend line test again. I would not mind taking the short right here if we can see some weakness. It does look pretty good for the shorts, actually. If we can break below this trend line again and actually hold there, we're definitely gonna go for the shorts. But I want to see that selling pressure increase before I do that. Might take this. Alright, I'm gonna go for it on that account. Oh my gosh, hold on. Hold on a second. My brackets were not turned on. There we go. I don't like that. Now we're good. We'll do 2 cons for 50 ticks over here
Order
as well.
filled.
See if we can get a little scalp this morning. Just need the selling pressure to continue here. We still have 40 minutes until the market opens. Might have been a fake out. Might get stopped out here. That's fine. Yeah. I was expecting that to continue down, but okay.
Stop filled.
We got stopped out on both. Currently down 2,700 over here. $5.10 for our take profit trader account. Are we going to go for the trend line break up here again? Looks like it. Wow, that's crazy. 48 seconds on this 2-minute candle. I wanna see what this thing does first. I don't want to get faked out again. Looks kind of strong here. Volume's picking up. Should we go for I wonder if we should go for the longs here. I'm gonna try the long. Well, I don't know if I'm not gonna get in on my take profit trader account yet. This one's just an eval, so don't really care as much about the one on the right. Because we could reject right here. These two wicks are a pretty good sign of a rejection, but we do have a minute left on this candle, so if it holds, we could see this thing move up here. If we do push up, we could probably go for the breakout above this level that we rejected before. Okay, here we go. Here's some buying pressure that we needed right here. But for the take profit trader account, I really have to be careful with this one because I'm actually trying to get a payout on that, so I do not want to take as many scalps unless they're clean setups. But if we close above all this and then we come down for a bit of a pullback, I might get in over here. I want to see this thing go up here and tap this previous rejection high, if it will. I'm going to set my stop at break even. I don't want to risk any more big losses until we get some money back. Here we go. Breaking out. There we go, boys. There we go. I'm gonna trail this up a little bit. Just so we can lock in profits if we get stopped out. That would be awesome if we could keep continuing though without hitting our stop here. I'm okay with it though. Might, oh, come on, give us a little bit more, another push. I'll get ready to close it just in case I want to grab the next little pump here. We'll hold it, screw it. We're gonna hold this thing out. I'll trail this up more. We'll just keep trailing it until we stop out. Look at this thing ride right now, guys. This thing is pumping out for us. There we go. Alright, so we are only down 108 right now. So next trade we hit, we just need one more like that right there. I wish our first one played out like that for us. We would be done on this account for the day. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Here's the pullback that we're looking for the next entry, but I don't know if I want to take it or not, because we could just reject right back down like we did the first time. That's what scares me a little bit. Although we did break, we are above this level here, and we broke the trend line. Thinking we go target these bit of highs that we have right here, this next little level. I don't really have it charted out. I could chart that out though, just so we have an idea. So what are we looking like? Kind of like right in around here, actually. Might be our little... Why did it not work? Here, I'll put it like this. Right there. That's where we might bounce that next time. Let's see how many ticks that would be. Yeah, so our 50 ticks is only to the top of that range from here even. But I'm not going to enter right now, that's for sure. We'll wait for something. This wick right here got us out, or else we would still be holding. Which I'm okay with, because you never know when it could just go right back down to the bottom. Yeah, there's the breakout that we wanted. Right up to that previous rejection high. We're gonna break out of this. Could still play the breakout for 50 ticks above that, but again, I really want to look for a better setup to get in on here. Although this was a perfect setup, I should have just got in with my other account, but I wasn't fully confident that it was going to play out like that after we had this rejection the first time. How many ticks was that? We would have hit over 100 ticks right there. Alright, we're gonna break out. We could have went for our 50 ticks, but here's the rejection right here. Something. Not quite to our line that we drew. Here's the sell-off. Thinking about taking a scalp off of this. Let me see how it reacts here. Alright, I'm gonna go for it. Could just cliff dive us and stop us out here, but I'm expecting a continuation up. We're getting the cliff dive, baby. We're gonna get stopped out. Damn. I'm rusty this morning. Didn't even see this. Yeah, we're done for that trade. I think this one's gonna stop us out. I don't think it's gonna do what I thought it was going to do. We had a nice volume on that last candle. I thought for sure we were gonna continue here. It might if we get lucky, but I don't think so. Oh yeah, we're really close to our. Stop filled. We're done. We're down $1,000. We've got to step it up here. All right. Little cliff dive. I'm gonna go for a little short here.
Order filled.
Target this area down here. I think we're going to trickle down and bounce around this trend line down here. I could be wrong. Keep this tight. Are we going to get the sell-off here? Kinda looks like we might. I like these two wicks, but are they enough? Holy crap. I might get stopped out here. Oh my goodness. Just can't trade today.
Stop filled.
Maybe I should just stop. It's just my mom. For the wedding. We're just going to trade the take profit trader account and try to scalp this thing back a little bit.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna be kind of doing quick scalps here if I can get them. This price action kind of reminds me of the day that I blew the Apex PA account. Now are we going to target this next area down here? That would be huge for us, but you never know. It's just not moving the way that I want it to. Just gotta trust the process. Gonna keep trailing my stop as we go here. Are we getting the cliff right here? Are we in on this cliff? That would be cool. Just in case, we're gonna break even this. In case it's a little fake cliff. And then we just get a massive pump up. If we are getting a major cliff, that means we might even break this trend line. We'll trail stop, and I'll put my TP down here. See if we can get a massive winner right here. Just a massive dumpy right off the cliff. Yeah, let's go. Drag my stop loss down as we go. I want to see this thing keep dumping. Oh, it might take us out on the pullback, unless we just, like I said, if it's a true cliff, we won't get any pullbacks. That would be so fun to watch right now. Oh, it looks like we just might get it right here. Break this trend line right here. Come on, go for the break. No, don't do that. We want to see some fun stuff. Oh, we might stop out in profit here.
Stop filled.
Right. Still down 935. 975 actually. Still a good trade. Alright, we might actually break this trend line here. If we do break the trend line, I can see us going down to this recent low down here, which is about 180 ticks roughly, right at 180. That's me giving it enough room to actually close, you know, underneath of our trend line here. Either that or we'll bounce the trend line and then go back up for market open in 10 minutes. Alright, let's see what happens. The next trade we get into, I think I'm going to enter on both accounts. I don't know if I want to take a trade too close to market open. We have had good luck doing that the past week, but I don't really want to risk it if I'm already down a little bit on this take profit trader account. We can risk it on the eval though. I don't really care about this one. We're already up from yesterday. We were up 2,500 from yesterday on our first day on the eval. I'm looking to do the same thing today over here. Little apex evaluation. That way we can get our PA account by Monday. Might just get the bounce. We'll see what happens here. Oh, here we go. Might break this. We still have a whole minute and 30 seconds on this candle, so we could just simply reject off of this and fly back up. Let's see, what do I want to do here? If we are taking this, we better just send it. Trying to reject right now. Trying to reject, so good thing we did not enter yet. I'm gonna get this ready though, in case we do get in. It does look good. Oh yeah, we're gonna go for it. You already
Order
know.
filled.
Target our low. If we pull back and stop out, then that's fine. Have to risk it, you know. If you want to get it, make it. You gotta risk it. We can't be scared. It just looks so good for a nice sell-off right here to continue. We did close underneath the trend line, so that's a good sign for us. Give us the pump. Oh wait, I don't know what I'm doing over here. I only need 50 ticks. Forgot about that. We'll do 51. That is 21,607. 75. I drug it down here like we're gonna go for like a 10K profit. We'll be way over our 30% consistency rule on Apex if we do that. We do not want to do that. But this one over here, we can make as much as we want in our pro account. There's the dump. Let's go. I'm gonna drag this to break even. I'm not risking this at all. Too crazy right now. Before market open, it could stop us out.
Stop
yeah,
filled.
I mean, it's whatever. I'm gonna get out of this one. Oh, there's the dump. Okay, cool. That's awesome. We're 5 minutes away from market open, so I am out of all my trades. I'm gonna wait until we actually open because I do expect there to be some good excitement when we first hit 9:30, even a minute before. There we go. That's why we got out right there, because it could just absolutely moon right now. What are we? We're down 945 on our take profit account, and over here we're actually up 1911 on our Apex account. Alright, so we need 589 to go on Apex, so we can lower our account down to 3 contracts. Actually, we can go 2 cons for, we'll do 55 ticks. 1-to-1, 55 ticks, 550 profit. When we do our next trade, all we have to do is actually just hold the TP out, and then we will be done for the day for our eval. And we need to actually scalp our way to victory for Take Profit Trader, which I do plan to scalp all the way until we get to 2,000 profit on there today. I know we can do it. I've done it several times this past week, so we can do it again. Look at this. I kind of want to get short right here, but I know we have 3 minutes until market open, and that will probably get the moon shot right here. Like that. That's why we get out of our trades before the market opens. Sometimes it's fun, but it's not fun when you're messing with the accounts that you're trying to get payouts on. Evals, yeah, whatever, but PA accounts, do not recommend it. Had to check Tesla earnings to see how crazy it was. It doesn't look that good. So we are not worried about that. We do have the 10 o'clock numbers. Sorry, I had my symbols pulled up. Anyway, let's check the... Yeah, okay. Pretty much we're just worried about the 10 o'clock numbers. Kinda, I mean... We just don't want to be holding something if we're trying to be serious about getting these profits. I'm not really sure how much it'll move price. Look at this volume coming in here. Market opened. All right. Let's wait this out until we calm down a little bit. The candlesticks are tweaking out right now. So I think if we break this trend line again, I don't know though, because that rejection right there just kind of scares me. See what the market shows us, but it feels like we're gonna go to the moon here, if you ask me. Just don't want to play that and then it just dump like crazy. I might go for the long, honestly. I'm gonna go
Order
for it.
filled.
See if we can get anything good. Like that. Stop at break even. Give us the moonshot, baby. Without stopping us out. Give us something crazy right here. Come on, keep going. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, give us the moon. I drug my stop up a little bit more. Oh, we can't hold it though. It just looks so good for a little rocket ship here. They might be battling too hard right now though. If we break out right here and hold this, we're so set. Come on. We are safe anyways, but I do want to see this thing break out above this trend line here that we have. We almost got stopped out. That would have been so freaking cool to have that right now.
Stop filled.
It's alright, we did hit some profit. We're up, oh, we're down 785 still, so. That would have been such a nice clutch play right there. Right back down we go. We're starting to calm down a little bit. I still think it's gonna break out to the upside, but let me just, maybe not actually. This trend line looks good other than the fact that we did reject it right before open. I wouldn't mind taking it long right here, to be honest. Let me just see what happens. Gotta be careful. Looks weak, it looks weak. Alright, we just closed red. On the first 2-minute candle of the day, we are breaking the trend line. Do we hold it? Are we going down here? Maybe go down to hit that 180 tick that we talked about. Not on the Apex account though. Okay. We might go short here. I don't like this spot here that we rejected though. Lines up with this right here. Let me mark that out actually. Yeah, I don't like that because we do have like a zone right there that we just formed. Very small time frame one, but Alright, here we go. We're breaking under it. 40 seconds left on the candle. Are we going for this recent low down here? Alright, 10 seconds left. And here's the close. Get a pull back up. Maybe go for the short. I want to see a pullback up into 50%. That's asking for a lot though. Oh, here we go. Oh, I missed. It's still going again. I'm gonna go for
Order
short.
filled.
Big mistake, probably. Yeah, that's what I thought. There's our 50% bounce though. But we could just break right.
Stop
Yeah,
filled.
we just got stopped out. Down 1200 again. That's fine. 1300 actually. I still like the short.
Order
I'm gonna go
filled.
for it. I don't care. I'm gonna go for it over here too. We're gonna get stopped out already. What is this bullcrap today? Alright, let's see if we can get filled. Not our stop loss though, our TP.
Stop
Nope.
filled.
Fake out. Damn. I might have to call it a day. Yep. That was not good. Damn, I can't believe I did that. Again. And we're stopped out. Still up 1200 on the Apex account. Ginger. Hi, girl. Hi, sweetie. Hi. What are you doing? Hmm? Hi. We gotta hit these trades, girl. I know. What? What? Sweetie. Go ahead. Come on, lay down. We just got caught up in the chop, that's all. Some volumes picking back up here. I do like that. There's right back down we go. So choppy. Could be, you know, a lot of people are waiting for those 10 o'clock numbers, I guess. About 17 minutes until they come out. If we break this trend line, we're definitely going to shoot for the highs here. I have one contract on because I am not able to hit the $2,000 intraday drawdown, or else I break a rule for my pro account, which I don't want to do. So we gotta play this extra safe. We might get the breakout here. Thinking about going for the long if I can see this thing continue. About 30 seconds left on this candle. Just chopping around. Seven seconds left.
Order filled.
Going for the long here. Get the breakout. There it is. Come on. There's the little breakout that we want. Don't know if we're gonna hold. We'll target those highs like we said. Stops at break even. I'm gonna take that.
Order filled.
We have to scalp this out to save the account. We're down 1,500. Alright, so we're getting there. Just broke out of one of our levels here. Nice. Breaking out pretty good right now. It's doing exactly what we said it was going to do. Going up to target that little high area there from before. That wick. Numbers are going to come out in just about 11 minutes here. Rejecting off of this level. I like how you guys can see my P&L right there at the top left here. So if I want to show it, I can just pop it down right there. How did we not catch a 300 point move or 300 tick move right there? We were in down here. I wish we were at like just break even when we entered that trade, because we would have held on to that thing for longer. Kind of like we were doing earlier. Break even stop loss and just let it ride. That did not hold at all. Right back down we go. There's what we needed, the draw. Bounced right off of that level there. Alright, cool. Rejected 50% right here. We had the clean break through the zone, and then we came back down and rejected the top of the level and had another bounce right now. So we can keep this level here. This is a good one. Rejected there before. Had some chop here before breaking down lower. We can use that as a level for today. Imagine we played the cliff right here. I'm not sure if that's a good idea though. Considering what this looks like over here, I do not want to do that. Although, if we did take that trade, let's just say if we did, we could get the break of the trend and below 50%, and then it would be a super valid play for us. So we will add it to the chart just in case. We would have to see both of them get broken though. It would have to be on this candle right here. About 20 seconds left on the candle. See what happens here at this zone. Looks like we're gonna break below. I don't really trust it. 2 minutes until the numbers come out. Alright, 40 seconds left. Let's see what these 10 o'clock numbers do to the price. Once we're through this little bit of news, we will definitely start scalping and get this account back up. Alright, 5 seconds. Let's see what happens. Nice wick right here. We still closed underneath of 50%. Numbers were released. Let's see what happens. Alright, might get the trend break here to the downside from before. Are we going to break this trend line, or are we going to hold above it? There's the break. Minute left on this candle. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Oh yeah, looks weak. Looks like we're going down. Alright, we are going to look for a short, I do believe. We just have to wait for a good entry now. Look for a pullback up to the 600 level. Maybe take it there. Something like that, maybe. And it's just gonna cliff dive. See if it fills us here. If we get filled, I'm going to enter on both. So close. Come on, hit the 600 range. Oh my gosh, we were one tick away right there. Oh my gosh, boys, this can't be happening. Are you serious right now? Wow, that's crazy. Watch it just cliff right now. We didn't get filled. I'm actually pissed. One tick away. How does this happen to us? Wow. It's gonna go. That would have played out so good. Hopefully it still goes up and hits us here before the breakdown lower. I thought we were gonna bounce 600 right there. Oh my gosh. Well, we did, but we just didn't get filled. One contract away. Come on, hit us. Tap our entry. Oh my goodness, here we go. Oh my gosh, guys. You can't make it up. You just cannot make this up. No, I don't know if I like it. I'm taking it off. I don't even know if I like it anymore now. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't like that. We bounced off of this level here. Doesn't look too pretty. We need to break the into the 60s here after we go through this level. Then we can target lower from there. I'm gonna go
Order
for
filled.
it. I don't want to get stopped out right away. I think we're gonna break down lower here. Whoa, why is my stop, or why is my take profit so tight? Come on. It's so choppy right now. I should just wait to get in so it doesn't kill us. Target the 30s down here. Just gotta break this level. Should have waited for the break. Is it here? Is it here? Come on, break it. Break it. Break the 70s, come on. Break the 70s, get to the 60s for us, come on. So strong right here. I don't think
Stop filled.
that's a stop out right there. We are down 1800 again. That's a unfortunate situation. We just couldn't get the and we got stopped out over here too. Now we're down 197 for the day. That sucks. It's like I forget how to trade. Today actually does suck though. We just had this move here, and then obviously we would have caught that 300 point or 300 tick move this morning that we missed. So I think that we're just not trading good. Get the bounce off of this level. That's what we might play. You know what? We're gonna send 10 cons on this account. Fuck it. We just sent it. I'm gonna send it
Order
over here
filled.
too for the breakout down to the 40 level. For the rejection off of that 50% level. It's so choppy right now, I don't think we're gonna be able to do much today. Might just have to call it here. Might have to take the L. But if we get the dump right here. Oh, and we got the
Stop
breakout.
filled.
Let's go. We just completely toasted the account. Alright, cool. Alright, we're gonna call it here because I hit my max daily loss limit. Probably just I don't know if I still have this account or not, but we did hit the $2,000. We broke the rule, so see what happens. It's whatever. One of these days we'll get a payout. Bullriderztrading all day long, baby. See you guys tomorrow.